In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys two ways on how you can download TikTok app on your PC or laptop. Now, if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, then this is really easy. You just wanna go to your Microsoft Store, and you will be able to download the app there. Now, if you are using Windows 7 or Windows 8 or other systems, then I'm gonna be showing you guys other methods to download TikTok on your PC. Now, if you are using Windows 11 or 10, you just want to search for Microsoft Store, okay? Microsoft Store, and this is the app, okay? After you search for Microsoft Store, this is the app. Click on it, and then in the app itself, in the top, you want to search for TikTok, and then you can download any app. You can download TikTok, you can download Instagram, you can download any app that you use on your phone. You can download it on Microsoft Store. This is like a store for Windows, okay, which you can download any app you want. So this is TikTok. You want to click on Git, okay? And after, guys, you click on Git, you want to follow these simple steps so that you can just use TikTok on your PC. Just wait for it to download. As you can see, it will take a few seconds. Now, the next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on search, okay, and then search for TikTok. Every time you want to use TikTok app, just search for it, and then it will pop up here. Click on it, and this is the TikTok app that you can use, and you can skip scrolling, you can do whatever you want. Yeah, the next step, guys, like the next way to download TikTok is to go to your Google Chrome or Firefox or whatever, search for tiktok.com, and make sure you log into your account. As you can see, make sure you log into your account. If you don't know how to log into your account, just select, like, search for tiktok.com/ and put here the username of your TikTok, and it will take you directly to this page. You want to click on three little dots in the top right, and then you want to click on more tools, and you want to click on create shortcut, and then you want to click on create, and you will find the app on your PC. As you can see, this is the app. You will find it, and then every time it will take you directly. Yeah, it will take you directly to your TikTok account. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.